Hi everyone, my name is Ike here, and in this very next for Sketchup tutorial, I'm going to show you how to light an interior day scene in under 30 seconds. Here we are in the Sketchup space. Alright, I made a tiny little room here with an opening so I might like to be able to enter with my shadow settings and with the nice composition. So I'm going to show you the settings I have here right now for my light. I'm using the Vray Sun to an intensity of 1, with the intensity multiplier with 1 and the size multiplier at 1, and the color mode filter. Now we're going to take a look at what each of these settings represent in the final render. So beginning my 30-second tutorial in 3, 2, 1. First off, I hit the interactive render to see where we are with these settings. As you can see, the light is really orangey, yellowy, yes, and the shadows are really sharp. So what we're going to do, change the color mode to override. That's going to override the Vray Sun color based on this setting and set it to this color right here. As you can see, that's taking effect. And now I'm going to change the size multiplier to about 75, making it less sharp and more blurry, and also spreading the light more evenly. As you can see, that has already taken effect. Now we have some heavy, really bright spots here, but that has to do with the exposure. I will take care of that on another episode. So we were able to create this effect in under 60 seconds, stopping at about 50 seconds, which keeps us 10 seconds ahead of time. That's actually really good. Now as you see above, this is the before and this is the after. Significant differences in both of them, and I hope you can recreate this effect and use it for your further projects. That will be all for this tutorial, and thank you for watching. And if you want to continue to learn more, you can do so and follow me on my Instagram page at IKInc and also on my Facebook page at IKChuguInc. If you found this video helpful, and also share with a friend who you think will gain from this, and also drop in the comment section below what other tutorial you'd like to see next. I'm really waiting to entertain your ideas, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.